Are you tired of WhatsApp downloading everything automatically? No worries. Let's fix this on your computer, laptop, as well as on your mobile devices. So stay with me in this quick video. First, let's go to on my laptop and navigate to this gear icon that shows settings. In settings menu, please navigate to chats. In chats menu, if you come down, you will find an option media auto download. Once you are in media auto download, you could see the option photos, audios, videos and documents. I have disabled videos and documents auto download here. I could go ahead and disable audio and photos and everything that will be downloading automatically. Now let's move to mobile phone to see how we can fix this on our mobile. Open WhatsApp on your mobile phone and on right top of your mobile screen you will find these three dots. Let's tap on these three dots and we want to go to settings. In the settings menu, scroll down and please navigate to storage and data. In storage and data, again scroll down, you will find media auto download option. Please note that voices and messages are always automatically downloaded. The first option we have here is when using mobile data. I have selected photos to download them automatically. Let's unselect this and press OK. The next option we have when connected to Wi-Fi. Let's disable all of these options and tap on OK. When roaming, it's already everything is disabled. So that's it about today's quick weekend video. Now WhatsApp will only download what you choose. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe ITPK for more quick tips. Take care. Bye.